Hello viewers, you are welcome back to LearnCity, the Center of Excellence. In continuation of our data science series, we move to part 2. And this part 2, we are going to be covering practical use cases. We are going to learn the rudiments of Python as a programming language because we have chosen Python as a programming language for our data science journey. And I want to start by defining what programming is all about. Now, when you talk about programming is the process of designing, writing, and maintaining a set of instructions or code that tells a computer how to perform specific tasks. Now, whenever you give your computer an instruction, you have written a kind of command to make the computer work. That is what programming is all about. So we are going to learn Python as the programming language for our data science journey. Now, you might be wondering that why do we choose Python as our programming language? Yeah, we have chosen Python as our programming language because, one, Python is readable. Python has a clean and straightforward syntax that is very easy to read and understand. That is one reason why we have chosen Python as our programming language. Another reason is that Python has extensive libraries, and these libraries could help us to analyze our data efficiently. So the second reason which I've explained is Python has extensive library. That is why we have chosen Python as our programming language. Then another reason is that Python has a strong ecosystem. Now, when I say it has strong ecosystem, it means that it has a very large community. So that is another reason for choosing Python as our programming language. Then another reason is flexibility and productivity. Now, Python is dynamic in nature. It allows for quick prototyping and experimentation. So another reason is that Python is a multi-purpose programming language. Now, Python could not only do data analysis, you can extend it into artificial intelligence. You can use Python for embedded systems. You can as well use Python for automation, Python for what we call Python can be used as an expert system. Python can be used as an enterprise application. We can use Python for software development. So not only that Python helps us to do data analysis or data science, it has other applications. You could as well use Python for video and graphic designing. Are you getting what I'm saying? So those are the reasons why we have chosen Python as our programming language.